Welcome to my CSE tutorial. In this video, we'll solve exercise 7 from chapter number 1 review of Python. The question is, which command is used to convert text into integer value? The answer is by using the inbuilt function called int. So let's see this with an example. Data is equal to 10, where 10 is a string value. Now let's convert data into an integer. Num is equal to, this is done using the built-in function int. So int of data. Now we'll confirm if num stores an integer value. So we'll perform an integer operation, say num star num into num. Let's see the answer. So here we have 100. So we got 100 since num has the integer value of 10. So the answer to exercise 7 is using the int function. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on my CSE tutorial.